Here I have VERNEE Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key, and after your device completely turns off, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds like this. After you enter this kind of menu, here you have to use volume up key to navigate to the first option recovery mode, and then select it with volume down key. After you see this Android robot icon and no command message Android, hold down power key and press volume up once, and after that you will end up in the recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode you have to select the fifth option, wipe cache partition. Use volume keys to navigate to it. I mean sixth option, wipe cache partition, and then select it with power key. And after you see the message cache wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.